search for Atom. Yeah, it is installed successfully. Open Atom. On my desktop I want to create a folder. On my desktop I want to create a folder with name of Node.js CRUD. Okay, open the folder using Atom. Close all the welcome screen. Open project, add project folder. Go to desktop where you have created the folder. Okay, now inside it I am going to open my terminal. If you are on Windows, you can use PowerShell or command line. You just need to copy the URL. Okay, now open PowerShell or command prompt. Both are same, or something else you can do. You just need to go here and type cmd and press enter. It's in Linux, that's why it's not working, but in Windows it will work. Okay, open your terminal or PowerShell or command prompt and cd to the directory where our Node.js CRUD folder is located, that we have copied from here. Okay, that we have copied from here. Copy it and paste it, press enter. ls nothing in here. Now we need to initialize our Node.js project. The way we are going to initialize is npm init. It will ask for the package name. It asking for package name. We are going to make it default Node.js CRUD, version default, entry point will be app.js, and test command, we don't need any test command. Keywords, okay, author, I am going to put my name, you can put yours. Okay, yes. Next, inside the project folder we will have a file package.json. Here we are going to create our app.js. Okay, very fast we need to do is we need to install Express to set up a Express server. npm install Express. It will take few seconds to install Express server. Actually, let's do it. Const express is equal require express. Const app is equal express. This is how we need to set up our simple Express server. App.listen. We need to set a open port, for example 5000, 3000, 8000. You can choose any of the open port. I am going to choose 5000 and we'll have a callback function console.log. Once the port is listening, it will say something. Server is running on port 5000. Actually, let's run the app first. Node app.js. Server is running on port 5000. App is running successfully. Now next we need to install Nodemon. npm install g. Since we are installing globally, we need to put sudo to take permission from the user. Okay, Nodemon is for running Node.js app continuously. For example, if we update anything inside our code, the Nodemon will update automatically and run it once again, but by using nodejs it will not update. So we need to use Nodemon app.js. Yes, server is running port 5000. The smartest way we can do, we can install Nodemon on our development dependency by using npm install nodemon -d with uppercase. It will install Nodemon as our development dependency. Go to package.json. Inside our script we can write one more script, dev for development dependency. This should be lowercase, nodemon app.js, and start. This should be node app.js. okay, Nodemon is installed. No, actually it is not installed it, so wait until the installation is done. So npm run dev. This was our script dev. okay, this will run Nodemon app.js. This works same as Nodemon app.js. okay, Control C, npm start. This will start this script, node app.js. okay, but we want to run this on Nodemon npm run dev. Server is running port 5000. Let's create a simple get request, app.get. To create simple get request, at first you need to give the endpoint. The endpoint / mean the root. okay, there actually will have 2 parameter. We can give it 3 parameter: a request, response, and next. okay, what this request parameter do? It will ask anything from the body or the headers, and the response will send to the client. okay, let me show you. res.send, we can send anything. For example, HTML, we can send as HTML is 1. Write anything, hello world. okay, save it, and it's running continuously. So go to the browser and localhost. What was our port number? It was 5000, and press enter. It's saying hello world, and right click, inspect. You see this is JSON, and you don't need to give a / since we are on the root. You can just give like this, API, save it, and this time it will not work. You have to put, you see, cannot get. That means there is no get request with this endpoint of root. You need to put API after this. This is our endpoint. okay,